Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today I have a new video for you. So this video is all about how to get more plans of a building. So how to get a plenty of plans for a building for practicing in AutoCAD. So as you can see, there is a plan. This is not a single plan. There have a many more plans which you can get it from there and you can work on that. So this plan will give you much more idea regarding your AutoCAD skills, and this will seriously, it's a awesome plan for you. You can get it in which dimension you need, you can get it from here. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how to get these all plans for your practicing. If you are practicing these all plans, means minimum plans, and increase your skills in AutoCAD, that will be very more efficient for you. So in this tutorial I am going to talk about how to get these plans. So which website I have opened, so this comes like this. So as you can see, this is trending now, these all plans are trending. So this is not a simple plan. As you can see, this is a duplex building plan, so as your desirable. So if you are a good AutoCAD learner, then you must should know all about this. This is not only the plans, it will tell you much more things. You can see it in below. So here this is your ground floor. As you can see in this ground floor, this is the very good plan. So this is the ground floor and this is your first floor plan. So this key specification, you can see there, every details is shown here. So as you can see here, the plot size 68 into 90 feet. So these all details you can found. So what is the built up area for this? 5650 square feet. Plot length, how many bedrooms in these plans, how many toilets are there, how many drawings room, means drawing area, kitchen, floors, parking, everything it mentions here. So in this tutorial I will tell you how to do and how to get these all plans for your practicing purpose in your AutoCAD system. So as you can see, these are many plans. So as I have shown you, see, these all are plans, you can get it. So here I am talking about this. See, this is Archbytes side. So archbytes.com design house online. So this is the platform, means this website is working for those who needs building plans at a reasonable cost. So in this plan you can see, this is the, I have already clicked on this house plan for 68 into 90 feet plot size. So this I have clicked. So how many, means what is the specification or what is the dimension of plot area you want, you can get it from there. If you do not getting, if you are not getting the desirable area, means desirable plot area which you want, so no need of that, you can just go for practicing purpose. You can get lot of plans here, no need to worry. You will definitely get an idea regarding AutoCAD plans of a building. In AutoCAD, the most things is for plans of a building compared to elevation as well as section of a building. So these two all are also important, but the main thing is the plan of a building. As you can see, so you can see this is home, house plans, material contact. So this platform is the provides you the online, if anybody wants their building plan, so this you need to contact it here. So how you can get it? So now just go this new tab, just click it here, search button, just copy paste. So actually I have copied it. Now you can see www.archbytes.com. So generally what happens, if you go and insert www.archbytes.com, you may not get this home arch website. So in this, the real website is here, you can get it left side, this triangle is there. So this triangle refers to this type of building plan, means this website is for. So you can see /archbytes.com /. So no need to worry, I will keep this in my description box, you can get it from there. This website will really helps you. So once you click it, see, this tab will open. Now I need to practice today I need to practice the house plan for 14 into 27 feet floor size. Now I have clicked here. Now you can see each and every detail. See, this is your ground floor plan and this is your first floor plan. You can get it from there. Now each and every details you can get it here. According to these details you need to work on that. So now you can see I got this. So how to get this means here no option for downloading, right? No need for downloading means you can see you may take the screenshots or you can roughly sketch. The best way for download means save it. Just go from your mouse, do right click from your mouse. Now you can see save image as. So wherever you want to save, I need to save in my desktop, just go and save it. You can see I have saved that plan. So whatever the plans you need, you just go and save it. So I hope you really like this tutorial because this is the best tutorial for newers in AutoCAD. They do not have much more idea regarding dimensions. What will be the dimension for drawing room? What will be the dimensions for bedrooms, kitchen rooms, toilet, bathroom, like this. So this tutorial will help for those persons, those AutoCAD draftsmen who is the beginner of in this channel. So this channel will give you the lot of clarity. So in this you can see lot of things are there. Whatever the plan you need to practice for your AutoCAD skills, you can get it from there. Any of the plans you can select it. Now the main thing I need to tell you that as I have already told you, this Archbyte, this is the design house online. If anybody needs any kind of house plan, so that person can directly contact. Here you can see contact with the HR means resource. So here you need to put your message, whatever the description you need to go, what are the information you need to provide, and after that they will track you. According to that they will do your work means. Now you can see this is the plan code AB3181. No need to go there. If you wish to change room size or any type of amendments, feel free to contact us at information@archbytes.com. Our expert team will contact you. See this, you can buy this plan at Rs 9999 and get detailed working drawings, door and windows schedule for construction. So this is the professional site. If you need to work on that, you may directly go on that and you may get it for practicing and developing your skills. So this plan will really helps you means this website is very good for you. You can get it from there and you need to do. So you can see there is a lot of plans you can work on that. So the another website is also there. I'm going to tell you that is Pinterest. I hope you know about this Pinterest. So this will also give you the much more building plans. So the most and efficient is this house plan for means Archbytes. So everybody is following, lot of the people are following. Now in this what you need to do means here you need to search building plan. According to that you may get the building plans for a reasonable. See this once I have clicked it here. So this is the front elevation and this is the walkthrough of the building. See this is the walkthrough of the building. This drawing, this 3D building has been drawn in maybe in SketchUp or whatever else. What else? See you can see this is a farmhouse, modern farmhouse oasis beach nut home design. So this building plan is this. So you can get it from there. Whatever the things you can search it and get it. But the my main motto to tell you that about this house plan. So I hope you like this tutorial. So if you really like this tutorial, then please press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.